Now this video is about opening the system that arrives. So I'll just show you what it looks like. Here, this is empty, but it saves me unpacking it for you. When your system arrives, it arrives in a cardboard box. So you'll unpack the cardboard box, and what you'll get out of the cardboard box is your system, like over there. So I can get rid of that. The second box, if you ordered the Wash-iT trolley, the second box that'll arrive will look like this, and this will have the trolley and the clamp in it. So I'll just quickly cover the trolley, and then we'll fit the clamp later. So the trolley is a flat pack trolley, yeah, and it'll come with the clamp, and I'm going to show you fitting the clamp in another video. But basically the clamp means that the system will fit exactly to the trolley. And the reason we make a flat pack trolley is because really the most efficient way of using a pure water system is actually to run the water from the tap to your vehicle, leave the system in the vehicle, and then run the water from the system to the job. However, it's true that sometimes you can't get your vehicle close to a tap, and in that situation you want to put the system on a trolley. You take the system out of the vehicle, put it on the trolley, and then you can wheel the trolley to the tap. But from an OH&S point of view, which is a safety point of view, and from a logistics point of view, we've got a lot of experience that says it is much faster and much safer to just run a hose from the tap to the system and leave the system in your vehicle. Now that said, you can also build a mounting bracket in the vehicle to use this bracket so that you can actually mount the system in the vehicle. So that's the clamp. I'll just show you quickly these flat pack trolleys. Nice little technology. Open up like this. Yep. And then the system will come in here and the clamp will go over this fitting here. So that's the trolley. Now, when your system arrives, you'll see here the keys will actually be attached to the tap on the side, which you'll see later. Yeah, so you can open the system. I just locked the system. You can open the system, and now just have a quick look inside, and I'll show you from the theory that we covered before what's actually happening on the inside. So you can come over here. I can move that slightly around to the side. Yeah, and we can see the water comes in, and it goes through the sediment filter. Now, this is a good time to show you what's actually sitting in this section of the system. Is a sediment filter inside a housing. Yeah? So if we open that, which is when we go to service the sediment filters, you can see the 5 micron spun 10-inch sediment filter. Yeah? So that's what's actually sitting in here. Now straight after the sediment filter, remember in the theory, this one takes out the particles, we need to take out the chlorine. So we go to a carbon filter, and that's sitting in this section of the system here. Yeah? So inside here is a carbon filter, and you can see that there's granules of carbon held in there by that netting. Now, if you're ever removing these filters, you just always watch that this washer stays intact. Yep. And then we can put that together. And that's what's actually under this section in here, the carbon filter. Okay, now the third filter is this big one here. That's the DI resin.